What if a turkey leftover sandwich could actually be delicious? Well, today you're about to find out. Okay, so let me walk you through what we have in front of us. I have some leftover stuffing, we have some leftover cranberry sauce, leftover turkey. These are not leftover, we made them this morning, nice and fresh, and I have some spinach. And I have a beautiful gravy that we have. So literally only leftovers. But let me show you how to turn this into a delicious sandwich. So first, we are going to sear the stuffing. So what did I do? I packed the stuffing really tight into a container. So I had a log and then I cut into like little pieces, right? So in a pan, heat on. I'm gonna add a bit of parchment paper because I don't want that stuffing to get stuck. You could also use a Tefal non-stick pan as well. We're gonna add a little bit of oil, just like so. And we're gonna let that heat up for about 30 seconds. While this is heating up, we're gonna work on our turkey. Turkey breast, leftovers. You could use really any part of the turkey. I just find it easier for sandwiches to use the actual breast. And we're gonna just slice it thin, but not too thin, because we want some texture into our sandwich, right? So I'm gonna do a few slices and then put that aside. Our pan is not hot, so we're going to drop our stuffing. So you wanna be really gentle with it and don't play with it too much. There we go. So I'm just gonna put it into the pan and let it do its thing. While this is searing, we're gonna take the buns and we're gonna split them in half. Okay, I'm just about to flip my little stuffing. Just like that beautiful crust. Okay, they're beautifully seared, nice and crispy. So I'm just gonna take them out of the pan on our cutting board. Don't worry if it breaks. It will happen most likely, but it's all good as long as you have some of the shape. Then we're gonna keep this pan going. We're gonna take the buns, we're gonna place them there and we're gonna toast them a little bit. Okay, look at them. Nice and toasty. We're gonna take them out of the pan. And from here, we're just gonna build the sandwich. So, first, cranberry sauce in the bottom bun. Just like that. It's gonna bring some sweetness and then some moisture to the sandwich. From here, I'm gonna add my stuffing. Take one slice of our stuffing, just like that. Then our spinach leaves. Turkey. Okay, then we're gonna take some of our gravy. Pour it on the turkey. A little bit of black pepper, a teeny bit more cranberry on top of my bun, not too much, just to seal it. And now we're gonna just seal the buns with the top. How simple was that? Only leftovers, things that you already had for dinner, but we turn into a beautiful sandwich. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe as always. And before I leave you, allow me to try this sandwich. Ooh. Look at that. Enjoy.